All right, folks, here comes Amtrak San Joaquin bound train 714. Final destination of that train is going to Bakersfield. Here she comes now. Bad start on Sunday afternoon right now. Here comes 2104. Worst Siemens Charger horn ever coming over here. And no, 2104 has not got a new horn, so she's still the same. So anyways, enjoy the video. But she's still freaking 2104. This one is a double header. 2104 and the MPCU right now. Coming on track number 1. Freaking 2104. Freaking 2104. Freaking 2104. MPCU 90215 with it. And with 8306, the P5 horn with that. Haven't did that model in a long time. So this is 714 to Bakersfield. Now boarding. This train does not depart until 11:36 a.m. Alright folks, this is Amtrak San Joaquin bound train 714. Final destination of that train is going to Bakersfield. Now departing Oakland Jet London Square Station. 8306, now sold at. Uh-oh, we got one more person. Well, she couldn't make it a train, so 8306 Bell Soda. $80. That was one more person. That was one more person who wanted to go to Bakersfield, but she just missed her train. Super liner car right there. Double header. MPCU 90215 and SC44 Siemens Charger. Oh, 2104 Siemens Charger 2104 on the San Joaquin bound line, alongside with MPCU 90215. There go that train off to Bakersfield. We'll continue on to Emeryville, Richmond, Martinez, Antioch, Stockton, Modesto, Tour-la-Tovar, Merced, Madeira, Fresno. After Fresno is Hanford, Corcoran, Wasco, and the final stop for that train is Bakersfield. Heads up, you guys, 2104 is on the San Joaquin bound line. Heads up to Ethan, Mark, Matthew, Gwen, and everybody else on the San Joaquin bound line. So I am Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.